close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So we are ready to have our family candlelit Christmas dinner. So here's Tally, ready to go. Hi Tally. Hi. So we have white rice for those who don't like rice and peas. Rice and peas for those who love rice and peas. Cake. Tyrese. Some fried plantains. Coleslaw. I think a few drinks for the adults. 3 adults this year as well. Hi Mom.
Hi guys.
Hi Bisa.
Hello, Sweetfam.
Hi Tavon.
Hi, Dad.
You ready to have some dinner?
Yes, Dad.
Okay. So we have mac and cheese pie there. Potato salad. Coleslaw. What are you saying, Tally?
Rice.
You want rice? And then we have a little oxtail, curry goat, the centerpiece, the ham. This little cake here. Hi Santa. Christmas cake with Santa. I'm turning back now, but he's there. Barbecue chicken, fried chicken, and a few drinks. So we're gonna sit down and we're gonna have a very nice, quiet, romantic meal as a family. Keep the fire blazing. Hi Tally.
What drink do you want, Thais? Orange. Right. Welcome, baby.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, Sally.
Wonderful.
Thank you. No,
You're welcome, baby.
thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, princess.
Thank you, Mom.
You want hummer?
Baby, yes, baby. I want to. You want, Sally? Which one of these drinks do you want? You want carrot juice, you want Pepsi, or orange juice?
Over there, I sit a
What drink do you want?
drink.
Which drink? Just drink. Let me get some Pepsi.
So that's mom dinner. We shouldn't play with food like that.
Yes, it's Christmas, guys, and I'm having a bit of everything. And I'm having some carrot juice. So I'm gonna tuck in now.
I'm not
delicious. So guys, thanks for joining us. And I'm going to tuck into this big plate of Christmas dinner. You want to get out, Tally? We'll take you out in a minute, okay? Yes, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
I'm coming, baby.